everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here. It is actually very late at night. I just finished doing a painting and I want to use up some of the colors that I already mixed up. This is going to be like a little bit of an earthy tone with metallics. I have a bronze by Amsterdam that I mixed with some Pebeo gold just to tone down the redness of the bronze. This is unbleached titanium by Liquitex, and it has in it a touch of white and a pearlescent white also. I just wanted to tone this down. It was looking very yellow when I first started mixing it up. This is the Amsterdam Pearl Red. It actually looks a little bit more pink in my opinion, but we'll see what happens on this one. This is a mixed up peachy gold. I mixed it with pewter and gold. And then I added in a little bit of the red Interference by Amsterdam is the Pearl Red. And then this one is Pearl Yellow. In my opinion, it kind of looks a little bit more white, but we'll see what happens. And this is the scrapings from the table. So it's a little bit of a pearl white mixed with pewter. Both colors would be from Amsterdam, but I did use pewter as one of the colors in the last painting, so this is what I scraped up from the table. It's a beautiful color. I absolutely love it. So wish me luck. I already have a mess going, so I guess I can get a little messier. I love it. I love the look. I love the pattern. I love everything about it. I was a little worried about the unbleached titanium being a little bit too much, but I'm really glad that I did that breakup right there with that soft pewter color that I had. I'm worried about this right here. I don't know if you can see it. It is getting bigger and bigger, but I don't want to mess with it, but I kind of do. I don't like that there's just this random little circle right there. So I am gonna try okay, now it's not a circle. It's fine. I don't mind the way it looks now. I just didn't want it to be a perfect pinhole circle like that. There's a couple of others here, but that one was bothering me. I am so happy that I decided to use up my leftover paint. I actually still have more, but I'm gonna just save it. I cannot wait to see what this looks like dry. I'm not sure if we'll see any of the pearl colors. We'll see what happens. I think this might be the pinkish red right here, but we'll see. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you with the dried results. I am so excited how this turned out. I love that there is metallic in some areas and the other areas there are not. Like right here, it just makes that metallic pop even more. I could not be happier with these dried results. The pearl paints are not as visible in here, but I love that, the copper right there. And that's okay because it's subtle, it's all you need. It's just right. I don't even know which way to have it face because I like it in every direction. I'm not sure if I'm gonna call this Copper Canyon or something like that. I'm not sure. I just love it. I'm so happy that I did this, and I think I'll be using these paints again on a dark background. I really enjoyed making this video. This was fun. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you did. It's completely free. And I will see you all in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.